Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware. Confirm your Sony TV supports Miracast or has an HDMI input. Plug a Miracast dongle into HDMI and USB power. The dongle creates its own hotspot, so you don't need home Wi-Fi. Turn off the TV's Wi-Fi to force the direct connection, and on your phone or laptop, enable screen mirroring or wireless display. Once done, select the dongle as the display target. Keep nearby to ensure stable signal and quick discovery. Now you initiate the direct wireless link. On your source device, open Cast or Wireless Display and scan for devices. The Miracast dongle SSID will appear on the TV screen too. Tap the dongle name and, if a PIN appears on the TV, enter it on your device to authenticate. Make sure the TV input is set to the correct HDMI port so you see connection progress. Adjust output resolution on the source if the image looks stretched or laggy to optimize performance. Finish by testing playback and ensuring audio routes to the TV. If video plays but no sound, select the TV as the audio output on your device. Make sure the dongle has steady USB power. Unstable power causes freezes. If you experience lag, move the source closer, remove reflective obstacles, and turn off nearby 4 GHz devices. If problems persist, reboot the dongle and source, repair the connection, and verify the TV HDMI input and dongle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.